So Sevenoaks Modular are a timber frame modular manufacturer. Our product range is ranging from your standard timber frame up into your volumetric housing where you're building a full house in the factory. So I think the initial reason why we came to Cardiff Met for the KTP project was because we had a panel solution that wasn't sustainable and we wanted to innovate to make that panel solution more sustainable for the environment. So the new product that we've created is a wall panel. It's like a standard timber wall, but it's made up of blown-in wood fibre. So it's wood from trees, but it's blown in through a X-block system, and it's blown in on the panel flat horizontally, so you can see and ensure that the panel is fully filled, so it's really good for quality purposes. I think there's one other machine in the UK that's being used currently, so it is very innovative, and it also saved a lot of money on this project. But we were pleasantly surprised at how well it ran and how well it went. I think one thing we may have been quite anxious about was IP, but Cardiff Met don't take away your IP in any way. They just want to write papers on what we've done and share the knowledge with the industry.
If, as a company, you've got an R&D problem, so you can't break into a new market, you've got a technological problem, you've got a product problem, or you've got a management problem, a KTP is a great solution, particularly if you're an SME, because it's a very cost-effective way to not only get a graduate working with you, but also academic experts who may have many, many years' experience in the field they're working. So that's a great win for the company. You're getting the associate, you're getting 2 to 3 supervisors, you're also getting input from business advisors from the Research and Innovation Office. And it's not just about the KTP. Most projects that we work on lead on to other collaborative funding bids to drive further the innovation that's been developed during a KTP.
Cardiff Metropolitan University have been crucial in our innovation strategy and helping us achieve innovation in really anything that we do. The KTP has helped us in winning one of our projects, Gwynfaen, which is currently on site now. It's a huge multi-million pound project. It's also made hundreds of thousands of pounds worth in improvements to our efficiencies on our machinery and movements by value stream mapping, enabling us to employ more staff and increase our turnover. So I would highly recommend other businesses getting in contact with Cardiff Metropolitan University for a KTP.